So I'm making candied oranges today. You're going to use a vegetable peeler to peel off the pulp, or the skins rather. And then you're going to get nice thin peels. You don't want to get this white pith by using a paring knife or your fingers to peel the orange. You want them thin, use the vegetable peeler. Then, after you get all your peels done, you're going to put them in boiling water until they get wiggly, about 1.5 minutes or 2 to get rid of all the debris. In this pot, I have 4 cups of water and 4 cups of sugar to make a simple syrup. Bring that to a boil and then let it simmer. And then it will get thick or syrupy. Then you're going to put these peels that have been boiled and rinsed into the simple syrup. And you're going to boil these for about 1.5 minutes, 2 minutes, until they get really, really wiggly. You want them to be tender so you can eat them. Put them on your orange ginger cake. So now that this is down at a simmer, bring these back up to a boil, which is going to take a few minutes. The foam means that it's getting thicker for the syrup making. They're starting to get wiggly. This is the second batch, so you can see how wiggly it is. When it gets wiggly, you rinse them off. And that'll be it. You drain them, rinse them off. Then you put them in this simple syrup. Now you're going to roll these around in sugar. And let them dry, and they will crystallize. And when these dry, you can cut them into strips for your decor. Thank you for watching.